Today we have to go out and assemble the new DeWalt miter saw stand. I don't know if that thing's a complete piece of junk. I don't know if it was a bad buy. I don't know if it's still a good buy in 2022. It's about the end of January and I got that mailed to me a little before Christmas. That's what we're gonna do today. You wanna see how that works? Stick around. I think one of the biggest factors we'll be looking at today while assembling this and taking it out of the box is how big of an overall pain in the ass is this project. Now I'm not saying that this is so complex we can't put all this together, but it looks like a lot of parts and pieces. The pain in the A factor is going up. There. These look to be the thingies that slide out. So we'll probably do those last. Let's take a break while I read the instructions. Please hold. Step 1, do not cut these things. No problem. I think I want to put wheel on step. You're gonna put the handle on. Is this the handle? It looks like a handle. I think I'm supposed to assemble the handle. I don't have any idea where the handle goes. You guys ever have to look at the... So, for those of you, since you're all playing along from home, what I'm doing right now is staring at the only picture I have, which is this box. And I think, right there is the handle. So, looks like the handle goes on the opposite side of the wheels. So let's go find a hole that we can put the handle over there. See how this only fits one way? Right? And those holes just match up. So I think that goes there. So that's what I'm going to try. Look at this corner. If you ever need to... There's where you store that little guy. So it's always with you, you never lose it. And I'm not saying it's the best Allen wrench in the world, but you gotta admit that's a little cool to have that there. Ow! Well, what do you say about that, huh? So how's this work? Cinches down, come up a little bit. Put that there and I don't know, maybe that goes there. Is that done? Okay. Oh my God. I gotta go get a different Allen wrench, something I can wrench on a little harder. So I think I'm done. I think. Let's stand it up. Put your foot. Oof. So let's be honest. I'm probably going to wheel this into my shop, set it there, and never move it again. But isn't it nice to know where you could miter if you wanted to? Just think about that. You could miter here. You could roll this over and miter there. Where else could you miter? You could miter out here. You could miter up here. You could miter up here. You can miter anywhere. Sorry about that. All that all-terrain mitering took the wind out of me. Do I think it's a good buy? It was like 200 bucks, just under 200 bucks. It gets my miter saw off the ground. It gets it off a table. It gets it to a place that belongs. Let me show you right now where she's at. I mean, that's pretty out of the way. That's pretty out of the way over there, and it's pretty reasonably, like, if I had to rock and roll, look, you guys know me. How many times have I been like, I ain't never had an intruder come rolling in here, put a gun to my head and say, make me a 45, make me a 90. That doesn't happen. I think that's gonna fit the bill for everything I need. I'm not a professional. I'm just a normal dude like you. I'm happy I got it. I think it's gonna make my life easier. And I hope you kind of learned a little bit today, like how easy would it be to assemble that thing? Was it a pain in the ass to put together? I would give that a 5. A 5 out of 10. It mainly got a 5 because those last bolts that I needed to attach to the miter saw, I had to go get additional tools because what came with it was impossible for me to break those loose. Beyond that, it was pretty straightforward. There wasn't a lot to it, but hey, 5 ain't bad. Well, at least it wasn't a 10. So, hey, subscribe, hit the like button, give me comments if you like this video, find it entertaining or helped you at all, and I will see you next time. Thanks.